I wouldn't be staying true to myself if I didn't do this. Let's have a glass of wine. Okay. Beautiful Chateau Saint Michel Riesling from the Columbia Valley in Washington State. I'm going to tell you why I like this wine. Riesling is my favorite wine. And it's my favorite wine because it's weird. If you haven't been able to figure this out by now, I like weird. And Riesling is one of the weirdest wines I've ever had. I remember the first time I had it, I tasted it and I thought to myself, there's something about this wine, like water wings, like floaty water wing pool toy thing, like shower curtain smell. Am I imagining that? Shower, what? Okay. A wine that smells like a shower curtain? And how is this good? Okay, first of all, it's good. Try it. If you haven't had Riesling before, try it. It has this aroma, okay, that is reminiscent of like a brand new shower curtain when you open that package, and it has that like strong vinyl kind of smell to it. Wine people say petrol, you know. Vaseline might be another like similar aroma. And don't get me wrong, you're not going to smell the wine and be like, oh, it's like a shower curtain, like, whoo. No, it just has, it's reminiscent of that, okay? It's actually a really aromatic wine. And it has a lot of like apple flavors and aromas and that little like hint of shower curtain, which is weird, right? But I love that. It's so intriguing. Here in California, where wine is like, you know, super abundant and we basically can have any kind of wine that we want. The grocery store has like thousands of different bottles. Okay, maybe like hundreds, but you know. So it's nice to have a wine that's weird. That's not like other wines where it's like, oh yeah, it's like, it smells like fruit and oak, you know, a lot of oak here in California with our Chardonnay. But I'm not hating on oaky Chardonnay. I'm just picky about it. But Riesling, it's so weird. It's so unique. I love it. Anyway, cheers, guys. $9.99, by the way. It's a delicious wine for $9.99. You don't have to pay an arm and a leg. My wife's going to hold me to that, and I'm going to be like, so, let's make bread. To Julia Child, by the way. So, share more about baking bread in another video sometime. And we can continue kneading it. In the meantime, let's relax with a glass of delicious Riesling. Pool floaty. In the meantime, download my free kosher salt guide, www.recklesspalate.com/salt. It's free. It'll help you figure out how much salt to add to things when you're improvising in the kitchen. It's going to give you some confidence to cook reckless.